we gave you the polynomial that 3x cube minus 5x square is 5x square minus 11x minus 3. So let us compare that coefficient of a polynomial of degree 3, that is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a, b, c, d are the constants and x is the variable. Here when we compare, we get a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to minus 11 and d is equal to minus 3. That is, d is equal to minus 3. So p of 3 has got how many factors? That is 3, minus 1 and minus 1 by 3 also is a factor. Let us check it by trial method. With a trial method, we have learned to factorize this one in the lower classes. We have learned to factorize the cubic polynomial in lower classes. So, P of 3 is, when we solve, we get this as a 0 is equal to 0, implies P of 3 is a 0 of the polynomial. Okay. Now, P of minus 1 is, that is 3 minus 1 whole cube minus 5 minus 1 whole square minus 11 minus 1 into minus of 3. Therefore, it is minus of 3, minus of 5, plus of 11, minus of 3, which gives you 11 minus 11 is equal to 0. Then minus, therefore a minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial, 0 of px. Okay. Now, p of minus 3, I substitute p of minus 3, that is p minus 3, if I substitute for x, then I get 3 into minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3 whole cube, minus 5 into minus 1 by 3, minus 11 into minus 1 by 3, and minus 3. That is equal to minus 1 by 9, minus 5 by 9, 11 by 3, minus 3, which results to 0. That means 0. That means P of, that is x is equal, that is minus 1 by 3 is the 0 of the polynomial. The zeros of the polynomial are 3 comma minus 1 and minus 1 by 3. So the sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta plus alpha, alpha plus beta plus gamma, we get, that is sum of the zeros. I put the, substitute the value, then I get 9, this is 9 minus 3 and minus 1. So this is minus, this is plus 5. Plus 5 can be written as minus of minus 5, minus of divided by 3. That is, minus 5 is the coefficient of x square and divided by x cube is 3, coefficient of x cube. Okay. The product of the roots taken 2 at a time, alpha beta, beta gamma, plus of gamma alpha, that is equal to alpha is 3, 3 minus of 1 plus minus of 1 into minus of 1 by 3 plus, this is gamma is minus 1 by 3 and alpha is 3. So when we solve, we get 3, 1 by 3 plus, and this is minus of 1. That can be, that is equal to minus 9 plus of 1 minus of 3, that is minus 11 by 3, so is equal to coefficient of alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, that is coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x cube. Okay. Now the product of the root is product of the zeros are alpha, beta, gamma. That is equal to alpha is 3, beta is minus 1 and gamma is minus 1 by 3. That is equal to 1. 1 can be written as 3 by 3. That can be written as minus 3 into minus 3, minus into minus 3 divided by 1, that is equal to product, that is coefficient of, that is constant term, this is constant term, that is equal to constant term divided by the constant term divided by the coefficient of x cube. Okay, constant term divided by the coefficient of x cube. I give you here the worksheet. That is question number 1 is find the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 2x minus 8 and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Okay. Similarly, I give you another sum. Find the zeros of 4u square plus 8u and also find the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients, zeros of the polynomial and the coefficients. Okay. Now 4u square plus 8u does not have a constant term. What is the value of the constant term? It is 0. Okay. I give you the hint. Okay. Now question number 3. Find the polynomial whose zeros, sum of the zeros and the product of the zeros are 1 by 4 and minus 1. So you know how to do it. So, okay, thank you.